how to remove Powered by Shopify in the footer section. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can remove the Powered by Shopify button or logo or tagline in the footer section. So let's get into it. Now there are a couple of ways to do this, but the easiest method that I found is if you come over here into the online store section, go into the theme section, and over here go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on edit default theme content. And once you're over here in the filters section, just simply search for powered, and here you will find Powered by Shopify. This is basically links. Here you can add a bunch of different links, but here I'll just add a space, right? Nothing too crazy. Click on save, it'll overwrite it, and then if we come back into our store, reload it, we can see that it's gone now. And it's as simple as that. No need to go into the theme editor code section, edit some code, add a bunch of code or stuff like that. All you gotta do is just come onto the theme section, go into the theme contents, and then here search for power and Powered by Shopify. And you can put any other links over here as well, like your socials, whatever, it'll come over here. You can also put powered by your brand name as well. So it totally depends on you. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you remove the Powered by Shopify tagline in your footer. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.